What's up, YouTube? This is Chef Fitz in the building. Today I present to you how to make your perfect omelette. Alright? So stay tuned while I show you how to make your perfect omelette.
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, so over here I have 3 fresh eggs that I take out of the fridge a while ago. Also have a half teaspoon butter there. We have some dry basil, we have black pepper, we have salt. Over here we have our fresh seasoning. We have some green onion, we have some white onion, we have a little bit of thyme there, we have some fresh scotch bonnet pepper, we also have some green bell pepper, we also have some tomato right there. Over here we have some fresh shredded cheese, also we have some frank ham. Alright, so we're going to use that within our egg. So first, you're going to use a fork to whisk your egg. Alright, you're not going to use the whisk because the whisk kind of give it a lot of air in your egg. You don't want to have a lot of air. Alright, so let's start with your egg. Combine all your egg together. Alright, so you try to whisk your egg to the best as possible. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of milk, fresh milk to mine. Optional. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Alright, but I like to add a little milk in mine. Now I'm going to go in with my salt, a pinch of salt, alright, just a pinch of salt, and you continue to whisk with your fork. Make sure that you go into the corners, the entrance, because when your omelette should be only yellow. Alright, we're going to go in with a pinch of black pepper. Just a pinch. Alright. Now we're going to go in with some of our white onion, some of our green onion, some of our bell pepper. We're going with our arm franks. We're going with our scotch bonnet. Alright, and we're going to go in with a little of the cheese, not a lot, just a little to get that flavor from it. And you whisk. You want to make your best omelette, yeah? So you have to ensure that you whisk your thing properly. Alright, add some dry basil now to it. Good. Good. So we're going to go ahead and heat our pot and show you how to make your best omelette. Alright, so now we have our pot heated. We're going to add our butter. Alright. I'm basically doing this on low heat as possible, because for me personally, a lot of people like to do it on high heat, but I like to do it mine on low heat because I think it gives it a better texture and a better flavor. Alright, I don't like to eat my omelette and it tastes kind of overcooked or burn. No. So we properly nicely coat the bottom of our pot. The bottom of our pot, we're going to properly coat it, alright, with our butter. Good. So now we're gonna go in with our omelette. Alright, so you're gonna nicely pour it in like this. And you're gonna allow that to cook for about a minute or two. Alright, so now you can see your omelette nicely started to form to the texture that you need it. Alright, so you're going to use your spatula and kind of push it off of the edge, alright? Try to clear the edge of it. Alright? So as you can see in the middle, started to get a little bit hard. Alright, so we're gonna put some more shredded cheese over on this side. You put it on one side of the egg. Alright, look at it, look how beautiful it is. Alright, and you're gonna use the next side of your omelette and put it over the shredded cheese. Alright, come over nicely. Alright, this is how you want it. So you're gonna allow that to get another minute, and then you can remove your omelette. And there you have it, guys. How to make one of your perfect omelette. Alright, look at how beautiful it is. Look at how beautiful it is. This is how we want to see our omelette. Alright, I hope you guys continue to enjoy my cooking show. Hope you stay tuned to Fitzy. Hope you continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzy on YouTube, also on Instagram, Chef Fitzy, and also on Facebook. Alright? Oh yeah, so this is our omelette. Alright, let's do a test taste. Look at the cheese. My word. Looks so good, yeah? Wow. Look at it, look at it. That cheese, boy. Tastes so nice. Wow. This is a perfect omelette.
Hey, don't know.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your